Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul and let me show you what I picked up. Let's start with these. I went to Dollar Tree because I wanted some webbing and this became my option. Look at this. Look at all these colors. I love them. So we have orange, purple, black, and gray. There's some very interesting color Dollar Tree has. I remember seeing like a lime color too, so that's out there. My store didn't have it, the green one, when I went back for these. And I would have been happy with just white, but so I'm like, I don't know which color to use now, so I picked out 4 bags each. And we get spiders in here, so which is a good thing, right? I like them. And you get 2 ounces of webbing. Cute. And then I picked up some greeting cards, and I plan to do a little wall art, like a little greeting card at the door for my trick-or-treaters. So I'll use one of these when I do my art. Let's see, this one says, which you may, which you might have frightful fun on Halloween night. It's kind of a tongue twister. And then there's this one, smile, it's Halloween. Wishing a great day to someone who can light up every face. I picked up 2 each in case I messed up. And then, of course, the orange envelope is a bonus. So you can use this for scrapbooking. You know, make some cute envelope journals or something like that for your scrapbooking. And then I picked up some towels. And these are Halloween towels. I really like these colors. The colors match my oven mitt and my hot pads that I picked up a while back. It's not the same pattern, but I love the colors. They all go together. So this is what it looks like. Look at that. So you can even frame this if you like. How cute. I really like the lights hanging on the tree. It is really cute. So I picked up 4 of these and I'm going to put that in my kitchen. Let's see, I also picked up some signs. I finally found the, what do you call this? It's like the vintage yard signs, but I only picked up the cat. I picked up 2 of these. You see how cute is that, right? I love it. And it just says welcome. Adorable. And let's see. I also picked up this one. This one says Spooky Street, Boo Boulevard, and Nightmare Alley. Look at that. How cute is that? So I want to work one of these into my yard also. I think it'll look really cute. And then I found one more street sign, and it's this one. Look at this one. And this one says Wicked Which Way, Dead End, and Haunted Highway. How cute is that, right? So I can redo my sign, or that, or I can put it on one long pole. That'll be cute, right? I think it'll look really nice. So I picked up 2 each on these, and I really like these. They're really cute. I also found these bottles. A while back I found the brown bottle, so I was able to find one bottle, and now I found the green ones. And I also saw another one. It is like a peach color, or not peach, but a pinkish color. So if you want the pink color, that's out there. So I picked up 3 of these. And I'm just going to use these for potpourri. I'm going to, fill it up, and it's going to decorate my bathrooms. I like the colors. So I have 3. This way I always know what color to use. I don't have to try to guess which color I want to use. And then my stores still had a lot of yellow bottles, so I went ahead and picked this up. I saw one lady holler, she had picked it up. Oh gosh, what was her name? Sorry. I worked so many hauls, I'm like, oh, somebody did. One of them, but here we go. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot I have to take the little tab out. And these are adorable. I passed it up the first time, so I'm glad that they still had some in stock. So I think I can probably use it like during the summertime. I can, put it out in the yard. Or work it into an arrangement or something. Now that I have it, I like it. I also picked up a couple of wall arts. Look at this. How cute is that? It is the forest. And I think this is a river, or a pond, but it is really cute. I want to embellish this somehow. It'll be a future project, so stay tuned for that one. So I picked up one, and this, let me measure right quick. This is 6 by 9. It's a cute little size, right? And then I also picked up this one, and this one says "We belong together." Now, how cute is that for Halloween? Ooh. Or you can use it for like Valentine's Day. That'll be a cute project, right? Or like an anniversary. Give it to somebody you want to stalk. And then this one is 9 by 9. But they're both really cute. I love them. I'm quite happy I found these. And let's see. Next, I picked up these. This is something new at my store. I could not leave it behind. It is a leaf decor. And I picked up 6 of these. Look at this. So I saw it in 2 other colors. I want to say it was gold and kind of like a reddish color. It wasn't a rust color or a copper. It was more red than it was a rusty color. So I passed on those, but I like this silver one. I can do a lot with this, so that's why I picked up 6. This is a very good find at Dollar Tree, but this, if you find it at your Dollar Tree, pick them up. Very cute find. Quite happy with those. And then I picked up some black yarn, and this is a Premier yarn, and it's worsetted, and it's in black. And I did pick up 3 of these skeins, and I want to make some pom-poms for Halloween, so that's why I picked up 3 rolls. I plan on using my new pom-pom makers. So wish me luck. I also found some feather garlands, and these were in the Crafter Square aisle. Look at this. I found it in the natural wood, a brown stain, a white one. The brown and the white ones are only stained on one side. And then I found the black one also, and it's only stained on one side. So I picked up 2 each. I was thinking I can use them as individuals on different projects. But look at this. How cute are they? I like them. Nice. This is the brown one. And then here's the white one. So the feathers are a little bit different on each one. So, and you get 5 feathers per garland. And then here's the natural color. Look at that. Nice, right? And then the black one. Look at that. So, let's see. There's the white one, the black one, the natural color, and the brown one. Look at that. 3 different feathers. I like that they gave us a different design, and they're not all the same style or the same feather. So it's really nice. I like this. So I was quite happy to find these. Something new Dollar Tree has out, so grab those when you see them. And speaking of new items from Crafter Square, I found this. This is a Boho Craft Set, and you get 12 pieces in here. So you get a hoop, 4 pom-poms, 6 leaves, 1 color cording or 1 piece cording that is 11.5 inches long. And let me open this so we can take a look. So here is the kit, and let me move that aside. So you get your leaves, and they're already prepped. Look at that. They're already on the wire, and the pom-poms are on the wire also. And here's the cording for to wrap your leaves down. And that I would let me look at this picture. So you can always shape this, bend it so it contours with the frame. Look at that, like that. Nice, right? Cute. So I bought the 3 because I want to create 1 wreath using the kit, but I want my leaves to go all the way around, so that's why I picked up 3. And the other 2 forms I'll just save for something else. But this ring itself is 8 inches. It's a cute little size. Do something else with it. You can make one using different supplies, But that'll be cute. But so far I only saw the leaf ones, and I'm wondering if the Dollar Tree will have a different kit coming out. And while we're at it, I also want to mention they have felt roses in case you want to buy some of the roses, and maybe you can add that in. I didn't think about it at the time, but I can always grab some and we can work it in here. And I remember seeing the white roses, and I believe there's another color I don't quite remember now, but that would be something to add in. It'll look really cute. And as you see, I'm already working this. So I'm going to put this aside, and this is something I will probably share with you guys. It'll be a cute little kit to work on together, right? So stay tuned for that. Let me put that aside. I really like this. I'm glad Dollar Tree's coming up with some cute little stuff. I also found this frame, and it is also round. There's a lot of round stuff coming out from Dollar Tree. So here we go. Look at that. And it comes with the tiny clothespin if you want to use it as a picture frame as intended. But you don't always have to, you can create something else with it. It is I like the option that I can use it for something else. So I picked up 2 of these. I also picked up some Christmas trees. Look at these. How cute are they? It's a like somewhere between a fuchsia and a purple color. Look at that. I love it. Or maybe it's magenta, right? You think it's magenta? It could be. And then there's the pink one. So I picked up 4 each because I plan to use these for Valentine's Day. But they are cute if you want to use them for Christmas. I mean, it is a Christmas tree. I just thought it'd be really cute for a Valentine project. I really like these colors. Really cute. So quite happy I was able to pick up some bottle brushes. You know, Dollar Tree has a lot of bottle brushes this year. So you got glittered ones, you got the stiff bristles, you got ombres, you got, oh my goodness, they have a lot. They have some that are shaped, you know, like that gives it that cut in between, or they're kind of like segmented. So take a look when you go to your Dollar Tree. Hopefully your Dollar Tree has these bottle brushes out, but these are really delicate, so just so you're aware. And the base is very light, but I mean, it doesn't, there's no problem, you know, it stands up just fine. I'm quite happy with these. And then the last few items I picked up are these. They are bargain products. Dollar Tree bargain bin finds. Look at this. I found the skeleton hand server was 75 cents. And then I found these words that say wicked. It's 75 cents and there are 3 of them in there. And then I found another bucket, flower and garden bucket, and this was also 75 cents. So quite happy to shop the bargain section. I don't mind looking through them. There's always some goodies you can find. I hope that I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up when you visit your Dollar Tree. If you get the chance, take a look at these feathers. They are very cute. And the same with these metal leaves. I love it that you see the nice detail on the leaves. They're really gorgeous. And of course, wish me luck on making my pom-pom making. Oh, it'll be interesting. We'll see. And then of course I'm happy I found some more Halloween towels. Well, I wish you luck, and I hope that you find everything you have on your wish list the next time you go shop at Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.